Everything you're seeing right now was created inside one AI platform. Chat, images, video, slides, deep research, all in the same place. No switching tools, no exporting files, no broken workflow. Most people think creators win because they use better AI tools. They don't. The tools are already powerful. What actually changes everything is when those tools work together inside one system. That's where speed comes from. That's what HIX AI does differently. One place where chat, images, video, slides, and deep research actually live together without breaking your flow. Let me show you what I mean. Open Google, search for HIX AI, click the first result, and sign in with your Gmail. Or create an account in seconds. When you open HIX AI and log in, you're not dropped into a single feature. You're dropped into an ecosystem. But under the hood is where it gets interesting. HIX AI doesn't lock you into one model. It integrates multiple frontier models inside one interface. GPT 5.2 Pro, 2 for reasoning and code, Gemini 3 Pro for multimodal generation, Claude 4.5 for long-form thinking. Instead of switching platforms depending on the task, you switch modes without losing momentum. And there's a small detail that ends up mattering far more than you'd expect. Every image, every video, every slide, every research report is automatically saved, organized, and searchable in one library. Inside HIX AI, I switch to AI Chat and select GPT 5.2. I enter a single prompt to generate code for a futuristic AI product interface featuring a dark background with vibrant color animations and interactive elements. Once the code finishes generating, I copy the entire output, open Notepad, paste the code into a new file, and save it. Then I open File Explorer, right-click on that saved file, choose Open with Google Chrome. As soon as the file opens in the browser, the interface runs successfully. No extra setup, no additional tools, no debugging loop. This is where I wanted to test something simple. Not a complex prompt, not a paragraph of instructions, and just one clear idea. I switched to Gemini 3 Pro and typed, "Show me a couple standing in the fountain square with a flock of white pigeons fluttering behind them." That's it. No camera directions, no lighting notes, no extra framing. And the result is immediately clear. The subjects are sharp, the background stays clean, and nothing feels randomly placed. The pigeons appear at different depths, the water reacts naturally to light, and the buildings frame the scene without overpowering it. This is where most workflows usually break, because turning an image into a video isn't just about adding motion. I drop the image into Gemini 3 Pro and ask it to analyze the image and generate a 10 to 12 second video prompt. What comes back isn't a generic description, it's a structured scene breakdown. It understands the relationship between the people, the motion of the birds, and the environment around them, and turns a still image into a sequence that makes sense over time. The pacing feels intentional, the atmosphere is clear, and the scene evolves naturally. This is the point where most AI image tools start to feel the same. You type a prompt, you pick a model, you regenerate, and hope. And if it doesn't look right, that's on you. What's different here is the HIX AI Image Agent. Inside HIX AI, you still have access to popular image models like Nano Banana Pro, Midjourney, and Seedream 4.0. But instead of forcing you to decide which one to use, the HIX AI Image Agent handles that decision for you. I start with a simple idea, a couple standing in a fountain square with a flock of white pigeons behind them. And this is where the difference becomes clear. The image agent doesn't generate an image immediately. It first interprets the request, asks for specifications, sets up the workflow, and understands what kind of image this needs to be. If you want full control, you can step in and add details like cinematic realism, a medium shot, warm golden hour lighting, natural motion, and a balanced 16:9 frame. If not, you can leave everything on default and let the agent handle the entire process end to end. That's the shift. You're no longer prompting a model, you're directing an agent. Behind the scenes, the HIX AI Image Agent automatically matches your request with the most suitable image model to deliver the highest quality result. And once the image is generated, everything stays in the same workspace without breaking your flow. I click into the image, and all the built-in editing tools are right there. No exporting, no re-uploading, no breaking the workflow. I start by upscaling the image and choose 4x, and the resolution improves immediately without destroying fine details. If needed, you can push the upscale even further. From there, I can remove the background or uncrop the image into any format I want. I switch this image into 9:16, and instead of stretching or guessing, the HIX AI Image Agent intelligently expands the frame to fit the new aspect ratio. You can clearly see the before and after difference, not just sharper but more usable. That's what makes this powerful. The HIX AI Image Agent doesn't just generate images, it manages the entire image workflow from idea to creation, refinement, and final output. Once you work this way, it's hard to go back to juggling separate tools again. This is where most AI workflows usually hit a wall, because generating video isn't just about visuals, it's about believability. Inside HIX AI, you're not limited to one video model. You have access to Veo 3.1, Sora 2 Pro, Wan 2.5, Kling 2.5 Turbo, and more, all in the same place. For this example, I focus on Veo 3.1. I switch to text to video and enter a short, intentional prompt, describing two adults having a natural conversation at a restaurant, and the result immediately feels different. The body language is relaxed, relaxed, gestures are subtle, expressions shift naturally, and nothing feels exaggerated or staged.
I finally managed to finish that proposal you sent over last week.
Oh, really? What did you think of the revised figures?
Honestly, I think it looks solid. Much better than the initial draft.
So I generate another video using VO 3.1, this time placing the scene in a busy restaurant. Two people sitting at a table having a casual conversation about their weekend. Nothing dramatic, nothing scripted, just a normal, everyday moment. And that's exactly why this is hard to fake.
So this weekend, I'm finally going to try that new brunch spot downtown.
Oh, really? I heard their mimosas are amazing. I'm just planning on relaxing, maybe catching a movie.
The first thing you notice isn't the people, it's the environment. There's soft background chatter. You can hear plates moving, glasses clinking, that low, constant hum that real restaurants always have. Next, I switch to frames to video. Here, I upload the image we just generated and use it as the starting frame. Then I paste in the same video prompt we created earlier so the motion and atmosphere stay consistent. I keep the format in 16:9, set the resolution to 1080, choose a short 8-second duration, and hit send. That's it. What happens next is the interesting part. The video doesn't feel like a random animation. It feels like the image naturally comes to life. This is the result. And what really stands out is how natural it feels. The couple isn't posing or overacting, they're just standing close, breathing normally like a real moment caught on camera. The other part worth exploring here is the Discover and Effects section. Instead of starting from scratch every time, you can browse through ready-made video templates designed for different styles, motions, and creative ideas. This makes it really easy to experiment or get inspiration when you're not sure where to start. You can scroll through, pick an effect that fits your idea, and apply it directly to your content. In this case, I'm selecting the dolly in effect, and you can see the result immediately. The camera slowly moves forward, adding depth and focus to the scene without changing the original composition. This might be one of the most useful features inside HIX AI, because creating slides is one of those tasks that sounds simple but quietly eats up hours. Formatting, structuring, designing, and deciding what even goes on each slide. With AI slides, HIX AI completely changes that workflow. Instead of starting with a blank deck, you start with an idea. I switch to AI slides and type a topic, the usage trends of AI tools in 2026. Once I hit send, it doesn't immediately generate slides. It asks the right questions about focus, adoption rates, key tools, industry applications, or future predictions. In this case, I choose future predictions, then confirm the requirements, including the structure, level of detail, and overall direction, before letting it generate the presentation. And that's it. HIX AI takes over from there. In just a moment, it generates a fully structured presentation with clear sections, logical flow, and clean visuals without me touching a single slide. I can immediately play it as a slideshow and see the result. This is where it really clicks, because this isn't just text placed on slides, it's organized thinking. Each slide builds on the last, the content makes sense, and the visuals support the message. For office work, this can turn meeting preparation from hours into minutes. For college projects, it removes the stress of structuring presentations. You can also generate slides directly from a PDF or a URL, which is huge if you're constantly turning reports, articles, or research into presentations. Instead of manually searching, opening dozens of tabs, collecting sources, and trying to organize everything yourself, HIX AI does the heavy lifting for you. I type in a topic, AI tool market competition in 2026, and once I hit send, Deep Research doesn't just return an answer. It automatically plans the research, executes each step, and builds a structured report from scratch. As the report generates, you can scroll through clearly organized sections, charts, and written analysis, all laid out logically. This isn't surface-level information. It's the kind of breakdown you'd normally spend hours or even days putting together. When you're done, you can download the full report in PDF, Word, or Markdown format, making it useful for marketing research, academic work, presentations, or long-form content planning. Right now, HIX AI is offering up to 50% off, which makes it a great time to try it out. It brings AI chat across top models, an image agent that manages full workflows, realistic AI video, instant slide creation, and deep research, all inside a single workspace. Instead of jumping between platforms, copy-pasting context, and breaking your flow, you can click the link in the description or the pinned comment to explore HIX AI and even try it for free. And I'm curious, which feature would you actually use the most?